Woke up late with the radio loud. Coffee burned, but I like it that way now. Got scars on my hands, dust on my shoes. Every wrong turn taught me something true. Spent too many nights just grinding it out. Now the way it's gone, I figured it out. I'm free, yeah, I'm alright now. Wind at my back, no looking back now. No more waiting on a green battle sign. I roll when I'm ready, living on my time. I'm free, yeah, I'm alright now. I've been broke, been damn near done. Held it together when the grip was gone. Cut loose the voices that fed me fear. Turns out peace was always right here. Every mile burned something away, left a dead weight on yesterday. Frustrations, no change tonight. Just an open road and a restless sky. I'm free, yeah, I'm alright now. Burn the map somewhere west of Dumfries. Stopped asking fate for permission or leave. If it falls apart, I'll laugh and drive. Hell, I didn't come this far just to survive. Hands on the wheel, heart steady and slow. I finally trust where I'm gonna go. No more deals with the past I made. I paid my dues, I'm unafraid. I'm free, yeah, I'm alright now. Fire still burns, but it don't burn me down. No frustrations, no stop and go signs. Just a long white line and a clear headlights. I'm free, yeah, I'm alright now. this morning, sunlight crawling across my floor. Had a dusty old drum kit sitting packed by the door. I used to play it till midnight, letting my worries fade away. Now the clock owns all my rhythm, and duties decide my day. Oh, I got the stolen hours blues, yeah, the kind you can't outrun. All the things I used to live for get swallowed one by one. Life keeps taking little pieces till there's barely any left to lose. Lord, I miss my old joys dearly. Got those stolen hours blues. Remember Sunday mornings, coffee and a slow sunrise. Now I'm rushing through the minutes, never looking at the sky. Every dream I used to chase now waits in some forgotten line. Guess I traded inspiration for a life lived on borrowed time. Oh, I got the stolen hours blues, yeah, the kind that cuts right through. All the laughter, all the freedom feels like someone else I knew. Life keeps stealing all my moments, and I never get to choose. Yeah, I miss the me I used to be. Got those